my dear children. Hope you are doing well. Today also I am going to tell you not a new lesson. I have stopped the lesson in Dragon's Rock, the Dragon's Rock. So I am going to discuss the other part. Can you remember the story, the Dragon's Rock, right? You can remember there was a nice village. People were really happy. There was a big rock. Actually, it was not rock. So they believed it was a dragon. Everybody knew that it was a dragon, but it was sleeping. You can see this dragon, right? It was sleeping. So children really liked that dragon. It never moved. So they started playing on the dragon, right? What happened? They had to face a sad situation. The people were really happy in this village. Their houses were clean, and the children, they were really healthy. But unfortunately, they had to face a drought. They didn't have rain for a long time. But they believed one day, when they have a problem, this dragon will come and save the village. So they thought, now this dragon will come and save the village during this drought period. But what happened? Did it move? No. Stayed like a rock. So people gave up taking the help of the dragon. So they gave up that idea of taking help of the dragon. They stared at the dragon with very angry. But children, they had a plan. They went outside, they collect wild flowers. They were really dried flowers. So they put all the flowers around the dragon on the nose, and they started singing and dancing. They thought the dragon would wake up, but dragon did not. So they got tired, they leaned on the floor. Then what had happened is wind came. A wind came. Because of this dry wind, all the pollens of the flowers came out from the flowers and they started moving on the air. Suddenly, the dragon's nose moved. One child saw it. Now finish the story for them. Now today we are going to start and we are going to discuss the other part of the lesson. They started intently when they has a hope. Now what is the hope? An air swiveled like a periscope. Swiveled means to turn like the upper part of a machine, like that periscope, right? Ears. They stood like a periscope, right? The ground began to rumble. Rumble means a shaking with a big noise. Now what's going on now? Let's see. Look out! Run! The children scrambled all the direction, shaking and squealing, arms pumping with excitement. If you see a big noise around you, what will you do? Actually, you're going to start running. Children did say they shook. The dragon shook the part of the body, so they started running. The rumble grew and grew. The noise came. The shaking came bigger and bigger. The dragon raised his sleepy head. Oh my God, dragon was sleeping. It shook his sleepy head, shapy head. Now, have you seen some animals? When they wake up, what do? They shake their head like this. Dragon also did like this. The specialty is the dragon is a big animal. So when it shakes its head, it make a big noise, right? It got into its front feet and sat like a dog. Do you know how the dog is going to sit? The way dog sits, it also woke up and sat like this. Now this is an unusual incident. For a long time, that dragon was sleeping like a rock. Suddenly, this dragon woke up. Why? What do you think? How did it get up? Let's see. It stood up stretched and arched a long scaly back like a sleek tabby cat. He arched his body like this, like a tabby cat. Who is a tabby cat? Male cat, right? Do you know that what do the tabby cat do when they feel lazy? They do like this. So the dragon also did like that. It blinked and looked around with big, kind, long, lashed eyes. It has long lashed eyes. Woke up and he looked here and there. What a wonderful incident. If you were there, what do you feel? Do you feel afraid? Actually, I feel afraid if I was there, right? And then its nostrils twisted and quilled like again. What happened? Nostrils were twisted and quilled like again. What do you mean by quilled? Shook with a rapid motion. They start moving here and there, the nostrils. The older folk were alert by the screams and the chirps. What happened there? What happened? Ladies held up their skirts, long skirts, and ran. Now you know when something happened, all the people rushed and see. The ladies held up their skirts and ran to what happened. Children ran out, but ladies ran towards the dragon to see what had happened there. You can see people are going there. And what had men done? The men rolled their sleeves up soon and whole town stood together in a right huddle in the front of the hill, staring up the large piece with mouth open, held open. Oh my God. When something happens, what do? And unusually, you open your mouth and stay like that to believe that. Like that, the ladies held up their skirts and ran. And what's going on? What's going on? The dragon woke up. Men also rolled up their sleeves and oh my God, the dragon woke up. So they held their mouth open like this. They're wondering. Let's see. Ah! When the dragon's first sound came out, ah! The nose erupted from the dragon. What do you mean by erupted? Came with the force. Right? Now, the nose erupted, the very big force came. Right? Aha! Again, dragon is trying to make a noise. The families gripped each together and shut their eyes. Oh my God, they held up their hands and they shut their eyes. They thought that dragon will come and they're going to kill them. Right? Let's see. Achoo! That is the sound it makes. The sneeze blasted from the dragon like a rocket throwing it back 50 spaces, causing beer wine and the dust and dirt. You can see the dragon is sneezing like achoo. Can you see? After a long time, the dragon woke up and it did the sneeze. Now I think people might really happy. The second blast spilled open the dry earth, sending explosion of the soil and trees root high into the sky like missiles. And something else too. What happened? When the dragon sneezed, what happened to the soil? It blasted. It blasted, right? Like a big explosion. It was like a big explosion. Have you ever seen a bomb blast? Have you ever seen a bomb blast? It was just like a bomb blast. Bomb blast means a big explosion. And the dust came out, right? Then people heard the sound but couldn't recognize because they haven't heard this sound earlier. They couldn't recognize, oh my God, what was that sound? Actually, they couldn't recognize that dragon was sneezing. They heard, actually it was as a big blast. First of all, they had been such a long time since their ears had heard such a tinkling melody. Oh my God! After this sneezing, they had a tinkling melody. Oh my God, people are wondering again. What the sounds again? Now this very big blast happened because of the sneezing. They could hear twinkling melody, a beautiful sound. Water could clear spring water, hose then trickled then rolled out of the hole down hillside along the valley floor. What happened? Water came out with the blast. The underwater of the soil, they came out. People were waiting for that. They were suffering from the drought. So what happened? The dragon woke up and sneezed like achoo. It was a really big noise. So with this noise, what happened? Water came out from the soil. The torrent. What do you mean by torrent? The stream of water flowing with a great speed. The torrent knocked over a farmer's haystack, but he didn't care. Right? The torrent knocked over the farmer's haystack, but he didn't care. Right? Because farmer's haystack was there, from that lot of water came out. The river carried away the school teacher's bike shed, but she cared not a jot. Now, water started flowing. When it flows, it carries everything around it. So, school teacher's bike shed also going with that water, but she was not caring because the important thing is water. They got water, so they are not worrying about that. Then the flood sent pools of water towards the golf course, filling up 16 of the 19 holes. Then the men just hooted and whistled and threw their caps into the air. People were really happy. What did they do? All the halls were filled with water. They threw their caps into the air. Why did they got angry? No, they are really happy. That's why they threw their hats into the sky. What used to be dirty brown and vast bowl now gleam. What do you mean by gleam? Stone brightly specially reflected light. The whole place was just like a browny color, right? So what happened? Now all light gleamed and glistened, and sunlight sent in playful waves ripple across the lake and inviting to share. Sunlight also came, right? Sighing the dragon sleepily. When you get up also you do like that. Dragon also did like that. And showing his perfect movie, started saying, I am awake. Now dragon is smiling, like telling, I am awake. And he lumbered forward with surprising grace. He walked surprisingly like that style and disappeared into the cool dark water with a small wave of clew and flick of his tail. What happened? Right? What happened? Dragon woke up and what did it do? It went to the water and disappeared. They could see only small waves. Did the dragon really help them? Did that tail came too? Of course, it came. The dragon helped us as we said, hey, would do. Yes, dragon came and he helped them. They were waiting for water. Dragon gave them water. So they were really happy. And every year, to mark this occasion, they would bring garlands of flowers and herbs and arrange them in a big circle. Can you remember earlier, children? Arrange them in a circle. So they are celebrating this incident every year. The children would have day off school. it is like a holiday. We also getting holidays for the New Year, Christmas, Vesak Day, like that, Ramazan. So they also named this day as a holiday. For it was known as a Vulture Dragon Day. So it is a very special day for them. So they name it as what? Yes, Vulture Dragon Day. And wearing the dragon mask that they had been walking on all week, would skip and clap and sing. They clap and sing. The dragon helped us as he said he would do. Hooray for the dragon! Acho, acho, acho. They are singing like that. So I hope you understood the lesson. Now, do you know where did we taken this story? The story was adapted from the Dragon Stroke by Elena Ashley. So you have to keep remember the author as well as the book. So I hope you have done the comprehension skill. So if you haven't done, you have to do it before I am going to discuss the answers of this lesson. So I hope you understood the lesson. This is a long lesson, Putta. There are a lot of new words. So I didn't explain all the word by word, as you are not small students. You are very big students. You are in grade 6. Now next year you are going to be grade 7. So if you found difficulty in understanding the lesson, go to the video again and mark out the difficult words again and make a booklet and refer the words. You have dictionary, so you have to follow it. You have to read it. You have to use the dictionary. I think you understood the lesson, right? Okay, my dear children, your duty is to do the comprehension skill. I am coming with the answers of the comprehension skill. So before that, you must. So my dear children, I am going to stop the lesson. So I will meet you with another lesson. Bye for now. Have a nice day. Stay safe.